Walking slow and steady, leaving all the shadows behind. These fragile steps I carry, now turning into light. And my heart begins to whisper about the doors I wanna open.